Volume is the amount of space something occupies. For gases, it's variable, while for liquids, it's constant. The most common units used to measure volume are cubic meters, liters, and gallons. Pressure is the amount of force exerted on a surface and is measured with a pressure gauge. The most commonly used units for pressure are pascals, bars, pounds per square inch, and atmospheres. Temperature is the amount of heat something contains and is measured with a thermometer. The most commonly used temperature units are Celsius and Fahrenheit. The relationship between these properties is described by the ideal gas law, which states that for any given gas, regardless of its behavior, the relationship between pressure,